I'm Jeff, and I'm here on behalf of Zanduco, and I'm going to do an unboxing and a product review. They give me items to make videos for, but they don't tell me how to use them. So I'm always trying to figure them out on my own. I figured I would let you in on the journey. And let's get started. Today we have, manufactured by Omcan, the Food Preparation Fruit and Vegetable Wedge Cutters. Got an instruction manual, and out of the box, got some filler. And then we have the main event here. Here it is. And that's all that's in the box. Get a quick read. Lucky for you, I'm the instruction manual. Okay, first impressions. Nice sturdy metal, but it's hard as rock. Got some guide rails here. Actually, in the instruction manual it says do not use cooking oil. Use some kind of lubricant or like petrogel, otherwise the oil will stick. Speaking of sticking, we got the rubber feet, nice and sturdy. Comes up, comes down, and that's pretty much it. I mean, comes off. This is obviously like the driver. Get in there. Let's make that nicer. And the blades here, this is a slick, this is the 6 slicer. This is a 6 slicer, and it also comes in 8 if you want smaller portions. So I've actually, I've already done a few. Oh, I might have to try one of those. So here are the wedges that I've already done. You can see a nice even cut on each one. Perfect. Today is your lucky day because you're gonna get to see it in action. Nice potato right on top. Just like that. There we go. Now what I can tell you, because I've already done this, is you can't just push it through, and it's gonna take a couple of tries to put it through. So if you try too hard, they're gonna go everywhere. Because of the sheer amount of force. So just give it a nice one, and there you go. And as you can see, you got some nice, another nice wedge, even across the board. Yeah, this has been an easy first video. There's only one piece in the box, and it does basically one thing. Okay, let's go for a review. If I'm in the market for like wedges of any kind, I would give this a 10 out of 10. You know, you just, it's sturdy, it's compact. Just don't put your hands in there, and it's safe. There's no like sharp edges anywhere. And yeah, it's simple to use. Just down, you can wedge like you want. Keep it nice and clean, really easy to clean, just like that. And then that's it, really. Talk to you again.